are going to be doing an unboxing. We won the 1,000 subscriber giveaway from Heath at Frontier Survival. Make sure you head over and check out his channel. His link will be in the description below. So let's get to it. As soon as I get the tape undone, we'll be good. There we go. Put you down so you can see what's in the box too. Alright. We have collapsible containers. Those will come in handy. And they attach to your hiking bag or a loop on your pants or shorts. So those are real nice. We got the emergency survival manual. I always read my books and then I practice what I've read. Makes it a lot easier for you when you're out in the woods. We have Prepare for Anything Survival Manual. Third book is Survival Knives, How to Choose and Use the Right Blade. I have a nice little mess kit here that we're going to be using this summer. Collapsible water bottle. So there's 2 of these. I got 4 of these. These will be interesting to use. Let's see. Instafire fire starter, military grade for campfires, fireplace, cooking, and emergencies. Lights up to 4 fires. So we have 2 of these ones. That'll make life a little bit easier. This one says fire starter, Instafire, safe, versatile, and easy. And no harmful chemicals, eco-friendly. Burns up to 1,000 degrees, light up to 4 fires. So we have 2 packages of those as well. Oh, that's a nice pouch. Get it out. There we are. Oh, this will come in handy. Terrible shovel for your backpack and for camping. That's really going to come in handy. And last but not least, we'll set this box aside. We have a 9-piece tarp and bungee set from Walmart. So thank you, Heath from Frontier Survival. Greatly appreciated. And if you are not on his live streams Wednesday nights at 8 p.m., head over, subscribe to his channel, and we'll see you there. DJ and I discussed a couple nights ago about the items that Heath provided from Frontier Survival, and we've decided we are going to go ahead and do a overnight camping trip with the items that he has sent us. I just noticed the shovel has a compass on it, so that's going to come in handy. It would probably help if I was a little bit more observant. These carriers are nice. Not really gonna be able to damage these too easily.